Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wow, wow, wow. It's that time of the year again where all of us sons of the Prophet Network worldwide gather to celebrate an icon, a living legend, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman. Daddy, we want to just say thank you for answering the call of God. Some of us wouldn't have known where to be today. It's your day. This is the best day. This is the best thing that has ever happened to us. All we are saying today is that you will keep eating the fruit of your labor. The world is here to hear you. Africa will hear you. The global world will hear you. Even the deaf will hear you. Daddy will say happy birthday. We are just here today to say keep living and keep winning for us in Jesus' name. Hip, hip.